Let's see how to use the chat and raise hand features in Microsoft Teams. First, open your Microsoft Teams and join the meeting where you want to use these features. To send messages during the meeting, click the chat icon in the toolbar at the top. A panel will open on the right where you can type your message. You can hit enter to send it. Now, to politely get attention during a meeting, click the raise hand icon in the toolbar. You'll see a hand icon next to your name in the participants list, and this will let everyone know that you want to speak. Once you've been called or no longer need to speak, you can click the raise hand icon again to lower it. And that's how to use the chat and raise hand features in